Hello everyone. Welcome back to Information Arc. Today, we explore the mysterious and intriguing life of one of history's greatest minds, Sir Isaac Newton. Many of us know him for his groundbreaking contributions to physics and mathematics, but did you know that Newton had a side that is shrouded in mystery? Join us as we uncover the secret lifestyle of Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton, born in 1643, is widely recognized for discovering the laws of motion, universal gravitation and calculus. But what about his personal life? Let's explore unknown aspects of Newton's life that history often overlooks. Newton had a keen interest in alchemy, an ancient practice that sought to transmute base metals into gold and discover the elixir of life. Many of his writings on alchemy were kept secret for centuries. Some speculate that he spent more time on alchemy. His scientific pursuits. Newton was known for his eccentric habits. He often forgot to eat and sleep, consumed by his work. Some stories even suggest that he absent-mindedly wandered around his college at odd hours, lost in thought. Imagine how eccentric his contemporaries must have been. Beyond his academic pursuits, Newton had a deep passion for gardening. He cultivated a garden at his home, Woolsthorpe Manor, where he experimented with different plant species. He is said to have derived great pleasure from this hidden hobby. Newton was known to be somewhat aloof and had few close relationships. However, there were moments of conflict and heated rivalry with fellow scientists such as Robert Hooke. This interpersonal dynamic shaped Newton's legacy in more ways than one. As we conclude our journey into the secret life of Sir Isaac Newton, it is imperative to reflect on the legacy he left behind. His contributions to science and mathematics are undeniable, but his mysterious personal life adds another layer to this remarkable story. Thank you for joining us in this fascinating exploration of Sir Isaac Newton's secret lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any other historical figures or topics, let us know in the comments that we would love to hear them. Want to uncover? Want. Until next time, stay curious.